Today, we arrive in Cagliari, the capital of Sardinia, an ancient port city where Roman ruins, medieval towers, and the Mediterranean Sea meet. This is just a glimpse of Italy, because tomorrow, Rome na! From the port, we joined an excursion heading into the city. Maulan ng umaga, but at least ready kami with raincoats. Mahabang lakaran, old streets, cobblestones, dito mo talaga mararamdaman ang old Europe. At dahil nga sa ulan at hirap ng lakaran, may ilang guests na hindi na nakatuloy at bumalik na lang sa ship. Nandito tayo sa Church of Santa Rosalia, pero mas kilala ito bilang simbahan ni San Salvatore dahil sa mga sikat na healing miracles na nangyari rito. Dito rin nakaimlay ang relics ng santo, kaya isa talaga ito sa pinaka-historic na spot dito sa Cagliari. Nag-decide kaming humiwalay na sa grupo. Italiano ang discussion at hindi namin maintindihan. Good thing, I always prepare our own itinerary before every place we visit. Funny thing, kahit hiwalay na kami, napansin namin na pareho lang pala kami ng pupuntahan. The places I researched were also parts of their tour. This is the Bastione di Saint Remy, one of the best viewpoints in Cagliari. From here, kita namin pati ang ship namin. This is the Elephant Tower and its ancient gate. Noon, kapag may kalaban, a sharp iron gate with spikes would be dropped manually, turning the entrance itself into a weapon. took a short break in the park. Me and Francine, laughing, playing, and just enjoying the moment. We entered Porta Cristina, one of Cagliari's historic city gates. Dahil pinlano namin pumasok sa Museo Archeologico, kaso sarado. So we explored the exterior instead.
Devi aggiungere, dovete darmi
Ito ang Roman Amphitheater ng Cagliari. Itinayo halos 2,000 years ago, noong panahon ng Roman Empire. Carved mismo sa limestone rock. Dito nagaganap noon ang public events, entertainment, at gladiator fights. Parang mas malit na version ng Colosseum sa Rome. At bukas, makikita natin yun. We wanted to find a nice restaurant, but most shops were closed. This is called Riposo, Italy's afternoon break. Pagod na rin kami from walking, and we needed to recharge. Good thing, our ship is waiting for us. At doon na lang kami kakain dahil Italyoke naman kami. Habang papalayo kami sa Cagliari, dito namin tinatapos ang araw. Pagod, pero sobrang thankful. Mula sa maulang umaga, mahabang lakaran hanggang sa mga lugar na punong-puno ng history. Lahat ng pagod, naging worth it. Traveling as a family reminds us to slow down, to enjoy the little moments, at pahalagahan ang bawat experience na magkakasama. Ngayong gabi, pahinga muna, recharge ng konti, habang dinadala kami ng dagat sa next destination. Bukas, another dream destination na naman. Next stop, Rome!